Well, no end to violence in West Bengal amid polling. There are reports now coming in of fresh violence that erupted in Sandesh Khali. Earlier we told about the TMC-ISF face-off and clash between these two parties in Bhangaur. Now reports coming in of violence in Sandesh Khali. Adrija is getting us more details on that. Yes, Adrija.
Well, absolutely. You see, Bhangaur and South 24 Parganas, we have seen certain violence is taking place there as well. The clashes have majorly broken out between the TMC and the ISF workers in the Bhangaur area. And what the ISF is claiming now that TMC is stopping their agents, their polling agents to enter into the booths. And also the TMC have put counter allegation on the ISF mentioning that there were crude bombs that was targeted and hurled at the TMC workers and local leaders at that particular area. And at the same time, their ruckus had broken out this morning between the ISF and the TMC workers, where we have seen that the police, who were present there at the spot, had to resort to lathi charge to disperse the crowd and then bring the entire situation under control. So of course, Bhangaur continues to be a very sensitive area where we are seeing several clashes since the morning and in fact since last night taking place between the ISF majorly and the TMC workers.
That does put a big question mark on the law and order situation, especially during polling when the deployment is high.
Well, absolutely. You see, approximately 600 companies of central forces was deployed in and across Kolkata, considering that Kolkata is going to poll on the last phase of Lok Sabha elections. And we have also seen that record high number of, central forces being deployed across West Bengal throughout all the phases. And definitely in Kolkata, a lot more central forces being deployed. So, of course, at the same time, violence still in certain pockets continue, and Bhangaur being one of the very sensitive areas which has a history of violence. We have seen in other elections as well. So therefore, ISF and TMC workers clashing and reports coming in. However, the administration and police is trying to bring the entire situation under control.
Right. Attempts are being made to bring the situation under control. Like you said, central forces, the local police, and there's additional deployment, especially during polls in sensitive areas, given the history of political violence in West Bengal. Still, there are reports coming in of clashes, of violence.